Points. A point determines a location. A point does not have any size. A point has no length, breadth or height. Let us mark a dot on the paper by a sharp tips of the pencil. The sharper the tip, thinner will be the dot. This almost visible thinner dot gives us an idea of a point. The following are some models for a point.
Point of a square, point of a pencil. Point A and point of a cone. Line segment. The part of a line that connects two points. A line segment is a portion of a line. It is a shortest distance between the 2 points. It has a length. The line segment is the shortest join of 2 points. The line segment joining 2 points A and B. The points A and B are called the end points of the segment.
Line. The word line refers to straight line. A line has no width, it has just a length. A line can be extended in both the directions. A line is obtained when a line segment like AB is extended on both sides indefinitely. Parallel lines. Lines which do not meet or intersect each other are called parallel lines. Two lines in a plane are said to be parallel line if they do not intersect. Lines are parallel if they are always the same distance apart and will never meet. Examples of parallel line is railway track. If two lines have one common point, they are called an intersecting line. Two lines intersect each other. Two lines are called intersecting lines if they have one common point. Ray. The part of a line that extends indefinitely in one direction from a point is called a ray. It has only one end point. A ray is a portion of a line. It starts at one point called starting point and goes endlessly in a direction. Sunlight is the example of ray. It starts at one point and goes endlessly in a direction. And the another example is light of a torch. It starts at one point and goes endlessly in a direction. Curves. Curves are two types, open curve and closed curve. Open curve. A curve which does not cut itself is called an open curve. In everyday use, curve means not straight. But in mathematics, a curve can be a straight line also. In this figures, the two end points are not joined. These types of curves are called open curve. Next one is closed curve. A curve which cut itself is called a closed curve. In this figure, the end points are joined. So it is called a closed curves. Polygons. A polygon is a closed figure made of line segment. In order to be a polygon, a shape must meet two requirements. It must be closed. It must be made of line segments.